So a few years ago, I was doing my PhD in satellite navigation for missions around asteroids. Later on, there was an opportunity through the European Space Agency to transfer space technology for non-space use. And that's how Alerion was born, to bring autonomous intelligent navigation for drones. We then built an automated wind turbine inspection system and started selling it, mainly to Siemens Gamesa. However, later on, we decided to shift our business model and become a digital solution service provider for predictive maintenance using our drones and our artificial intelligence. And we got some seed funding in order to help that transition. But that was the end of 2019, which proved to be not the best time to be doing this. Nevertheless, we still managed to get some international clients and establish some key partnerships that allowed us to grow. So wind turbines can lose up to 10% of their efficiency due to unresolved maintenance issues. In 2019, 8.5 billion euros of wind energy production were lost because of these issues. This is 8.5 billion euros more that should have been produced if the right tools were available. Now, it's easy to, well, not easy, but straightforward to quantify how much energy the wind turbine is losing. However, it's very difficult to understand and to pinpoint where those losses are coming from, and also how that affects the long-term structural health of the turbine. So what does Alerion do? We build digital twins of wind turbines for predictive maintenance. Why do we do it? Well, in order for our clients, the operators and the owners, to produce more energy, and also to reduce their maintenance costs. How do we do it? Well, we use our patented drone inspection system. We gather data from the SCADA from inside the wind turbine and other sensors. We combine that with unique blade engineering models that are provided by our partners, and use our own artificial intelligence in order to optimize energy production. So the market is growing. This is around a 1 billion euro market, and it will more than double in the next decade. All right. So what makes us unique? We have our patented drone that makes blazing fast wind turbine inspections, fully automated. There are other companies. You just saw Perceptual Robotics that also does the same. We have an AI engine for analyzing damages and predict behavior. But so the companies that either claim or do the same. But we combine that with wind blade engineering, and we're able to help the customers reduce their maintenance bill and produce more energy, while taking good long-term care of their wind turbine. So where are we right now? Right now, we are working with some major players in the industry. We're doing inspection campaigns with them, combined with AI analytics. And we also have customers that are paying for a digital twin solution, where we're helping them reduce their loss bill. We are now raising an A round in order to internationalize, especially here in Germany, and also United States and Latin America, and also do a scale-up of our digital twin solution. Of course, our business model is right now twofold. On the one hand, we do drone inspections, where the end result is a damage assessment report and data availability for the client, and also the digital twin, which is a software as a service subscription, where we develop customized maintenance plans so customers can produce more energy. Of course, this would not be possible with our team. I'm leading the team, but honestly, the rest of the 22 employees that we have carry most of the burden. So, if you'd like to help wind turbines produce more energy, I'm all yours. Thank you.